Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 99 on a T Land Rover Defender 90 TD5, done as a sort of heritage evocation, replica, whatever you like to call it, that you can see behind me. One walk around video, one driving video, plus a bit of engine running action as well. Hope you like them. Right, let's take this 1999 on a T Land Rover Defender 90 TD5, showing just under 122,000 miles for a spin. This has just come out of refurbishment by a company just outside West London that have just refurbished it to heritage specification, including these quite natty seats. Let's take it for a spin. All light, ignition light, all come on as they should, and everything goes out as it should. It starts nice, this one, hot or cold. Obviously a little bit of heat when it's cold, and unusually for a TD5, the clutch pilot bush isn't too groany at when it's cold. Most TD5s, the clutch pilot bush does groan a bit when they're cold, but this one's actually pretty good. I've heard it groan a little bit a couple of times, but not sometimes they can be really quite noisy. Anyway, off we go. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It sits nicely temperature wise, just gets on with the job, drives very well. There is a slight whirring noise, which I think is coming from one of the wheel bearings. As we just drive from where it's just been in for refurbishment. Didn't do it when I drove it the other day, so it may only be doing it when it's first driven, but there is a slight whirring noise, I think, from one of the wheel bearings. Clutch and gearbox are nice. It changes in and out of gear nicely, no synchro balking or anything. And if I let my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no massive backlash clunks to the transmission. You get the, do it again, just very absolutely minimal backlash. Rear sliding windows do rattle a bit, they always do. Part of the Defender experience, a few squeaks and rattles. But it trundles down the road quite happily around. Nice and not to fight it down the road. It's going where it's placed, and it rides nicely with no sort of big clumps or bangs. Steering wheel is a couple of degrees off centre to the left, not much. Blower motor works and does actually produce a fair bit of heat. Pretty good. Quite happily. It's got slightly aggressive tyres on it, so you will get some tyre noise. like under braking. Yeah, pulls up nice and cleanly. So I think there we have it really. Not much more I can say about it, just gets on with the job. My name's Simon, you can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com. Okay, quick video of start up and running on this 90 TD5. Lights come up as they should, showing just under 122,000 miles. Starts nicely whether it's hot or cold. And there we have a TD5 engine. Doing what it's supposed to do. Little funny noises. Running as it should.